one of the most fun routines to teach. So the first thing we're going to do is isolate just the ribs side to side, okay? Now, the best way to create a rib isolation is stand with your feet in parallel underneath the hips. Soften the knees. Now, when we say soften, we don't need bend them. We just want you to go from this fixed back position to a slight bend. So it's just softening the knees. So we're in parallel, knees softened, okay? Roll the shoulders back and down. Get those muscles in the back engaged, okay? Now the best thing to do is if you place your hands on your legs, pull your elbows out, your arm muscles are completely engaged at this point. We're going to, with the knees slightly bent, we're going to shift the ribs over to the right. So your whole spine just goes from here to over here, okay? So it goes from there just to the right. Now try not to twist or do anything strange with the hips, okay? Now here we go right. We come back to the center. Pull it back as sharp as you can. We go left, center, right, center, left. From here, we go back to the center. We take the arms out to the side. They're in a curve in front of us. Right there, hit that position. Hands pressing, shoulder blades pulling down. Engage those arm muscles right there. Now we're going to press over to the right side with the left hand. So it's like you're pushing your rib cage this way. So we go right, soften that hand, flick it back to the center, hit that position again, left, center, right, center, left, and from here, we're going to take our right leg and we place it behind. So your right leg, your knee is going to be knee to knee, okay? Your foot is going to be off the floor, okay? Your heel, sorry, is going to be off the floor. From here we go in, we face the corner, up. Now you're going to tuck your pelvis underneath. So we're going to contract in here. And as we contract, we pull the back of the hands out down in front of you. So they're coming to shoulder level, just in front of your shoulders there. So we go bend to here. And you soften the knees. It's not a big bend, otherwise you can't get that contraction in. Soften there. We ripple forwards and back this time. So we start at the pelvis. We push the hips forwards. We're going to go through the spine. We go like a snake. Now I always say, ripple like a snake, and up. I don't know why it helps. It helps. It's the imagery of a snake, forwards and back, okay? So that last part here, we've pushed over. We're going to go and come back to the center. Take your right leg behind, your elbows come, your arms come in, bending at the elbows. Up. Tuck the pelvis under here, contract. Now we go, ripple like a snake, and up, back to your center position. Now as you're rippling, you want to soften your knees even further so it's seamlessly going down towards the floor, okay? So, on the left, we go. Left, center, right, center, left, center, right, and hit that position. Over, 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 over. Now we take the left leg behind. In, up, contract, bend those knees, we go, ripple like a snake, and back to that starting position. Elbows like a diamond, don't let them droop back, be like a chicken, okay? So feet in parallel, arms out to the side, soften those knees, okay? Pelvis, neutral pelvis right here.